Hindi po kapag mag-text. Sorry.
Good morning po. To start with, let me first discuss to you the aims of Level 7A. Level 7A aims for students to develop print awareness by observing reading model by the parent or instructor by repeating or pointing at 306 vocabulary words. Students do not sound out or read words in 7A, but rather, they point to and repeat words after hearing them read aloud by the parent or instructor. This combination of hearing, seeing, and pointing helps the student to develop left-right print flow awareness as well as top to bottom of the page print awareness. So, to start with, let me introduce to you Lian Maris Biardo, our 7A student. She will
Start the picture.
Oh, ikaw naman dito.
Mark Bernard Herrera.
May ikaw ang kumuha, may.
Ano ba?